Looking for an easy business texting solution? We've got you covered. I'm Jeremy Boudinet, VP of Growth at Textla, and today I'm going to walk you through some easy ways to start doing business texting without breaking the bank or spending all day hunched over your phone. Nearly 65% of businesses are now using SMS marketing to reach their buyers via text, and the vast majority are doing so with the help of SMS marketing platforms. So what is an SMS marketing platform? An SMS marketing platform is a business texting solution that makes it dead simple to send out mass texts, two-way texts, and track and manage your entire contact list in one system. If you're looking to reach thousands of people at once via text, or just have an easy way to two-way text your customers and prospects, then SMS marketing solution is going to make your life 10 times easier when it comes to business texting. So how does an SMS marketing platform work? Simple. First, you just need to sign up for an SMS marketing platform that meets your needs and has the features that can help you drive your business, such as two-way texting, bulk texting, scheduled sends, and so forth. Next, you'll need to submit your business info for verification. From there, you'll be assigned a toll-free number which you can use to start texting. You can also pay more and get a local number, or you can port over an existing phone number into your system. From there, you'll want to import your contacts into your SMS marketing platform. You can typically do so via CSV. Just format and tag them appropriately, then upload them into your system. Once your phone number is verified and your contacts in your system, it's time to start texting. First, create a draft of your message. You can add multimedia like images, videos, and GIFs to the text if you like, or just send a plain text message. But word to the wise, if you do add videos and GIFs, it will cost more, so be sure to budget accordingly. From there, you can send a test message to yourself to ensure that the text looks good, there's no typos, and the message clearly conveys what you want it to say. Once you're satisfied with the message, choose the audience for the text. You can either choose your entire list or just a select group of people that meet your requirements. Finally, you can choose whether to send the message now or at a future time. Voila, that's how easy it is to send a bulk text message. And it gets better. Most SMS marketing platforms will let you handle responses to your bulk texts right inside of your platform, so you can hold whole two-way conversations in the same platform you use to send out your bulk messages. That's how easy business texting is inside of an SMS marketing platform. And there are plenty of great ones out there, including Textla, which is the only 5-star rated SMS marketing platform on G2, Capterra, and Product Hunt. So don't be shy. Check out all those places and see which SMS marketing platform is right for you. I'm Jeremy Boudinet from Textla signing out. Happy texting.